Sunday, 28th of April. It's the first Sunday game at home here, and against the Woodpeckers. And quite rightly, we're starting off with a pint and a fag. That's the way it should be. Good bowl. And that's Stewie played on. Warm applause here for the number 3, Chris ELLERAY, club stalwart. Been at the club for the best part of 40 years. Chris is away. And ball was going through square leg. But unfortunately, bowled him. So 35 overs a side gave this one. Squirted away. That's 4 runs. Oh, over the top. 1 bounce, 4. So as ever on a Sunday, we're honoured to have Lord Handley, the 3rd Earl of Sanderstead, officiating for us. Absolutely. Yeah, we don't want to see anyone impaled on a shooting stick, do we really? That's a nice shot from DC. It's a big one. And there's Edward looking his full glory. Magnificent. Probably because of the beers. It's too cold for Edward to get his hands out of his pockets. I must say it's an absolute joy and a pleasure. Maybe it's not too cold. There you go. Got out of his pockets for that one, but then I guess he had to. So DC goes. Pulfer's there, skipping the side today and having to do a spot of umpiring. With it looks like designer jeans on there, a nice sweatshirt, and of course his bouffant. Pulfer's, who's probably the finest opening batsman in village cricket. Neat work there from the bowler. A bit of off spin into the attack, and Cash has gone over the top. Ooh, that's top edge. And it's gone for 6. Ooh, that's a poor ball. Pulled away for 4. Ooh, Cash goes for 1 there. That's put into the next village, I think. A little sprinkling of rain in the air. That's out. Cash didn't quite get a hold of that.
Oh, lemon. Oh,
lemon could be. Yes. And that's out. Well caught there.
Backing.
Well, Roy. Well, that looked like it was close. So Dell very fortunate to still be batting after that run out, which was he was short by a long way. Dell adopting his typical strategy of trying to play the bowling from near the square leg umpire and suffers the inevitable result. Shot from T. A glorious shot. T's just hit through the covers, but we had a battery change and he's just mishit that one, and he's gone too. But it's Pulfer's coming into the rescue. God, there's some tonnage there. Oh, deadly. Super shot. Oh, deadly, hit that, and he does. Yeah, that's going to go. Ooh, bit of a long hop. And well, with absolutely no expectation that they'd try and run a second there. So, ended filming. What did they do? Try to run a second. Run out by miles. Oh, that's in the air. He's got away with that. 4 runs. Nice and deadly. He plays a lovely full defensive to these full tosses, doesn't he? Good shot, Sonny, and that's oh, sorry, yeah. It was gone for 4. It was Sonny. Super shot.
Shot.
I didn't quite get that, but
That's a no ball, isn't it?
hello, that's an early dive.
Have you got the? There we go.
That's another 4. Deadly, hit that. Oh, he's gone straight up in the air. And he's caught it. It was a good catch.
Fine leg.
But there are 7.5 overs left, and Matt Harris is in. He can hit the ball.
Good shot.
Good leave. Ah, it's a good hit. Middled one. 1 bounce 4. Harris launches one through mid wicket. Ooh, filth. Oh, hello. Is he all right? So last 5 overs. Or alternatively, last ball. So that's it. That's 144 all out. Oh, that's over the gully's head. That's the first boundary. DC opened the bowling up the hill. Ah, that's a nice shot. Oh, that's a superb nut. Oh, that could be out. Oh, I think he's put it down. Ah. Super shot. That's a 6. Oh, and that's another 6. More short stuff from Palfreys. That's a nice shot. Another short ball. Ooh. Roy gives him. Have a dip. That's gone. So Palfreys surprisingly continues. Ah, that's a better ball. No, surely not. No, that's another one gone. Oh, and that's great catch there from Cash. Dropping like flies, the old Woodpeckers. So 38 for 5 now, chasing 144, that should say, and quite a few more than 6 overs gone. Oh dear, that's a appalling ball, but a good take there from Tyler. And that's... Oh, Derek not even bothering there. Pathetic. I think we might have an injury here. Oh, well, Derek doesn't know his own strength there with that throw. No, poor chap. Probably twisted his knee or something. It's actually the last thing they needed at 41 for 5. Incoming batsman needs his gloves. God, talk about kicking a man when he's down. That's it. He's got his gloves. Ah, and that's the leg stump gone. Well pitched up. That's 6 down now. And here's Johnny Longcock. He's bought me a pint. Good man. Ah, that's a lovely shot. That's 4 runs.
What about Bradley?
Ooh.
You play golf for... I drove the green. I parked the water.
Wild. Well played.
Good.
God, Dell's on fire.
Second on the red.
Well, smouldering. Oh, that's a
That would be
good pie.
absolutely
And that's
hilarious.
moved away for 4. Oh, and that's got to be. And it is. Edward in full repose there, very comfortably. Gave that out. That's a nice shot. Another chase for Dell.
That outfield needs to be good. Jesus.
That's in there. Should be out. And it is. So that's
Well done, Sonny.
8 down now. So Dell's coming on the bowl now. Well, I say bowl.
Great shot.
That's more like it. Got what it deserved. Ooh, filth.
Oh, there you go.
So more filth from Derek coming in. And look at that. Just shows you. Sometimes the bad balls win. So an early finish. That's all good for beer sales. Woodpeckers all out for 89 in the 18th over.